Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, today me I come to now looking very pop down. On a normal day, I know me take a very long time to go over the hill, but today I can't go over it none at all. So Jason and him father gone up and I just sit down for one stone. I go and wait for them cats. Can't manage it none at all. I am not feeling well. I end up catch flu. I get Jason flu, so it's 2 hours sick. And Jason worse than me. Today we have to literally park the car and him hook up in a pain, chest pain, and cold in my throat. So every time I eat something, it feel like I go vomit. I bring up back the food. So I don't even know which vlog I go drop the clip here in, but this is my current state. Anyways, I'm happy to decorate the Christmas tree and that out of the way because I couldn't manage. I couldn't manage to do it right now. I feel very weak, but Jason's dad I picked some lime for it and civil orange, and we buy a flask of rum, and I go down, go collect my honey. Then I go home and mix up and work miracle. Cause normally when I sick, I mix up and my orange skin, my garlic, my this, my that, so I know I can work on it. Anyways, today is how much I say Vlogmas day 12. So in Vlogmas day 13, I know we feel better because I go home, go mix up my remedy them. Just do what I normally do to fight the flu. So I wait on Jason right now to come off of the hill. Alright guys, so we got some goodies. We got civil orange, fever grass, and lime. So when we reach down, I'm going to get the honey. I don't know how much minutes this is going to be, but I'm just give you an update. And are you sick?
Football at you know?
No, and are you sick? We literally depend where we are going, and Jason's friend tell him say baller play, and Jason say me a come. You know about sick?
No, I'm going to look. Just have the proper attire for watch the game. For breathe it.
Can never understand you. Guys, pain just hook him up a while. Anyways, if you play the ball, you can sort it out.
I gotta see. Now I'm gonna kick some dog. Me pain up your foot though.
Play ball,
I'm clocks on my hair, so most can't kick it.
Play ball, man. You ready? Huh? Alright.
What am I saying?
Do my forward, man.
Alright, now that kick some. Just I got check to see if ball play. Possibilities. You react if you want to come on the side too? Why not?
Wanna play a ball? Guys, me not say no. Now you're the first person to reach and you know live here.
I can tell you something.
What?
You know say you love me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh? Because you're the Bex. Alright, although you're probably Bex on the top, but at the same time you understand that this is like one part of me we miss it for years though.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, I don't feel that healthy way. But it's true, I'm sick and my muscle them and if I try to run, if I ever run back a 2 ball and bust and tired, little sweat. What's me about this? Never and then I'm going to play ball. I take off it still.
Okay. No choice but to wait.
One thing I tell you. What? I'm play.
Mm-hmm.
But I still don't want to play so you can't jump. Because the ball will lick you.
Hide from a ball. Babe, remember say a long time I watch you play football, you know?
I know me, I go kick it.
No, me know how to run from a ball. Oh. If me didn't know, so I go stop now, I bring my sweater.
No, you can't take mine when I start playing.
No, sir, I don't love that sweater.
I'll show them which part of football boots. Anybody who know my video them from Mineral Light, so that tell us say, when Razor start play ball, Razor they have one like a Vance, you see? Kill everything. Once me have an Vance, I don't know if that clock have it still. But I'm a little rough beats class.
But that not have no lace. It a sit down for your foot good.
How do you? Yeah, that me don't know.
Yo, up here cool.
Man.
Look at the view. It's the view for me.
Bro, now show them the view, no man. Show
so
them
pretty.
Show them some basketball court money.
I always love up here. Love up here, just cool.
How you, Clive?
Babe,
Yeah.
Why me?
Why you are?
Why me out of everybody?
Man, if you don't know why you do right now, you need to lift up, you know. You don't know why you.
No.
You don't know. I know say woman love reinsurance, but I find
I
say
don't
love
know
me.
why me. I don't know.
Know why you? Because when me go to my mom wipe out the go to your nose, you look so cuddly like a little baby.
What?
Why man go in your nose right now, just to tell you.
Come to go out here.
No.
Babe, come to go out here something before people see it.
You do that one 6 years and you don't know why him choose you. Kind of my blood clot. My bumbo clot. What kind of plastic them there in your nose?
This is
What kind of plastic them there in your nose, baby? Yo, man, why about so look like when you broke up straw at the crack up. Straw on the road too long at the crack up.
Me have flu.
What that? Oh no, give me one.
You
Yeah,
get
I said, bro, that
shots.
good. You may get shots, man. Then I want to tell me this will me safe, you know.
Now you just a complain say you're sick.
So what? I root this. Oh, you think you secure me? You think me have time? Alright, you think you have talk to her about it. You think you have time for left up and so go me up and go doctor for them a little flu thing? Yeah? What I talk to her, the fatter? Alright. From a lift up here. Facts, man.
So you can't play football in that shoes? Without
What
your
you
legs?
mean? You
And not go too slack?
Too slack, what? Then you can't pass ball. Remember, you can't pass. Yeah, you can pass ball. That's all I need you can do.
I don't know. Once you're up on the side, you have to hold all of the bag and the phone them. So it's literally full of phone. Alright, I'm going to see if a boy still have it. Tomba. No. So I'm picking up some extra stuff for mommy. 12? I pick up some extra stuff for mommy for bake cake. The fruits what she did have a soak how long? It's not enough. I didn't know enough. So just I go grab these and then head back home. No, just I go grab them, drop them off at her house and then head back home. No, so just to have them. I didn't know, so what she has soak never enough. And I asked Karina, I said, Mommy, it's enough? And she said yes. Now she tell me say enough because the amount of cake we have to go share up. And I know at Christmas time we have to share up cake and stuff like that. I want out of the batch what did I soak. If I even want. I feel like especially if you mix it, I go tell her so everybody get one out of the batch what did I soak and one. Although I can't tell the difference. But I still gonna suggest it to her. Give one out of the batch where I soak and then one with the one we just blend up. Wanna get it? Carry this something them come give mommy. And Dana said she want to come up at my house. So I tell her, so she have to talk like, who me tell her she have to talk like?
British.
So ask me like that. And I make you come.
Alright. Please, can I go to your house? I won't give you any money because I don't really have money, but please, I'm begging you. Please, just one day I want to stay up to your house. Mom, what if I talk to Alice?
No, sir. I'm back home. Boy, me with the bad quality video from there. Anyways, so like rain fall. Yup, rain fall. So just the first me I'm gonna make one shot that me tell you say it don't taste good. Me try to taste it while live but couldn't manage it. Anyways, we come around here to come hide with the cup to come taste it with Uno. So it's lime, silver orange and rum. Normally it's just lime and rum, but I gonna try because him say it make him feel better and I want to feel better because tonight I gonna continue to fix up my room. So everything is coming on nicely. Of course, I don't know I'm not gonna show you the whole process because I want everything to be a surprise. With I'm showing you the things them some wanting to see how I put them together, but I could drink it. No man. Woo! no more. Feel a little bit better, but I know tomorrow morning I gonna get up and make the orange skin and garlic and all of them stuff there. It's just that as Jason reach home, him just mix up this. I'm just allow him to mix up a little thing. So guys, again, I apologize for the bad quality video today. About 3 different quality in another one video here, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I know say it probably not gonna be the length won't always want. This is gonna be about 10 minutes or so, but I hope you enjoy it. And as I said, I miss no day vlogmas, so I'm literally just showing you guys what I'm doing every single day. Bye guys.